Oh, and I got another free mascara. I came home with this gorgeous pink bubble envelope, and I really, really wanted to try this Worth the Hype. This is supposed to be like the fiber lashes that make your lashes really long. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I got that for free. And you can always place I haven't done it for a while, but I tried to place a once a month order for NYX. So I got this. These were at Walgreens, and see if maybe that helps it work better, because I can't even get that Total Drops to work for me, and I'm hoping that this primer, Total Drops primer, will help. And for my pigments, I got a pigment primer. Last time I did the primer, I used the glitter glue, and it was like a little tacky, so got that.